Last day of nomination today. Mahagathbandhan's seat sharing plan still not finalized. Famous Bhojpuri singer and actor Khesari Lal Yadav joins RJD. These 40 star campaigners will be BJP's face in Bihar. Gender ratio falls for the first time in 5 years in Bihar. We explain how and why Mahila voters matter in Bihar. Amid peak election campaigning, 29 bottles of liquor recovered from a toilet in Nevada. Hello and welcome to Bihar Election Tracker, your go-to source for key updates as the state moves towards a high-stakes assembly election. I'm Yasharth Rai, bringing you the latest from the campaign trail. The deadline for filing nominations for Phase 1 of the Bihar polls ends today, but Mahagathbandhan's seat sharing is still not finalized. The reason? Mukesh Sahani, chief of the Vikassheel Insan Party or VIP. Sahani has reportedly demanded at least 24 seats in the election to the 243-member assembly. Rashtriya Janata Dal or RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has now put his foot down according to sources and said VIP can only get around 15 seats. According to RJD sources, Sahani's hard bargaining has now reached a breaking point and Tejasvi Yadav has given his key ally an ultimatum. Earlier this month, he claimed that he would be the deputy chief minister if Mahagathbandhan came to power in Bihar. Now let us understand why Mr. Sahani matters. Mukesh Sahani has a stronghold within the Malla, Sahani and Nishat communities. Cumulative electoral weight of these communities stands at 9%, which becomes very crucial considering the complex political arena of Bihar. The demand of 24 seats reflects the quest of recognition and representation of the fishermen and boatmen communities in Bihar. Till date, Sahani has not won a single election in his life. In October 2020, he joined the NDA but lost on all 11 seats. BJP still made him a minister in the Nitish's cabinet. Though the son of Malla has very little options left after getting dismissed from Bihar cabinet in 2022 by Nitish Kumar over attacks on PM Modi and UP CM Yogi Adityanath. He can either stay with Mahagathbandhan or contest as a standalone party. The Mahagathbandhan, comprising parties like RJD and Congress, understand the necessity of securing the crucial Sahani Nishad Malla vote bank. If the Mahagathbandhan fails to meet Sahani's demands, they risk alienating a crucial 9% voter base that could swing the elections in 2025. Now, Rahul Gandhi has engaged directly with Mukesh Sahani to prevent his exit from Bihar's Mahagathbandhan following Sahani's displeasure with seat allocation and threats to quit the alliance. Bhojpuri film superstar Khesari Lal Yadav has joined the Rashtriya Janata Dal along with his wife Chanda Yadav just a day before the nomination deadline. His wife may contest the upcoming election on an RJD ticket.
तो एक बार बदलने की ज़रूरत है और उस बदलाव में मैं थोड़ा सा एक मेरा भी हिस्सा हो और मैं उस सरकार को बदलने में और एक अलग दिशा में ले जाने में और एक बेहतर सरकार बनाने में एक मेरा योगदान हो, उसी के लिए मैं भी जुड़ा हूँ भैया से। और आज से नहीं, आज तो मैं आप लोगों के सामने पब्लिकली हुआ, बट मैं हृदय से और दिल से हमेशा से मैं इस परिवार का हिस्सा रहा हूँ। प्रयास है कि हर वो महिला, हर वो बेटी, हर वो बहन, हर वो भाई, हर वो बेटा अपने पिता के साथ रहे, हर वो बहन अपने पति के साथ रहे, हर वो भाभी अपने भाई के साथ रहे। तो मेरी ये प्रयास है कि आजीवन जिस तरह बाकी शहरों में लोग अपने पति पत्नी के साथ, अपने परिवार के साथ, अपने माँ बाप के साथ रह के और खुशियों के त्यौहार में रहते हैं, उसी तरह हमारा बिहार भी कोई जाए ना, गुजरात के लोग यहाँ आकर काम करे, कलकत्ता के लोग यहाँ आकर काम करे, दिल्ली के लोग यहाँ आकर रोजगार करे।
Now let me tell you, Khesari represents Yadav community. Combine that with the popularity, he or his wife can emerge as a very strong candidate for RJD if they contest the elections. Khesari has always been a staunch supporter of RJD and a close aide of Lalu family. From campaigning for them in 2020 Lok Sabha polls to sing songs supporting RJD, Mr. Yadav has done it all for them. It will be interesting to see how this bet plays out for RJD. Ahead of the Bihar elections, the Bharatiya Janata Party has released its list of star campaigners. The list includes a total of 40 prominent leaders and the frontrunners are Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Rajnath Singh, Amit Shah, JP Nadda and Yogi Adityanath. However, senior BJP leader from Bihar Shehnawaz Hussain has not been included in the list. This time, BJP has also entrusted campaign responsibilities to prominent artists from Bhojpuri film industry who have entered politics. Notably, Bhojpuri star Pawan Singh has also been named in the list of star campaigners. Yogi Adityanath on October 16 slammed the India bloc for allegedly turning the debate from Vikas or development to Burkha. He accused the RJD and Congress of prioritizing divisive agendas. Looks like the star campaigner has already begun. However, Syed Shehnawaz Hussein's name is missing from the list. Once considered the prominent Muslim face of the BJP in Bihar, Shehnawaz has neither been named as a star campaigner nor fielded as a candidate from any seat. This move has become a topic of discussion in political circles. In the last assembly elections held in 2020, there were 899 women voters for every 1,000 men voters. And as per the revised electoral list of the Election Commission, the number now stands at 892 is to 1,000. One thing is clear, every political party is making an effort to woo women voters, especially the NDA, which believes that their support is essential for victory. And it is true because this is backed by hard facts. In the 2020 Bihar Assembly elections, the NDA won 60.5% of the seats in the constituencies where women voters are more than men. Out of the 243 total seats, 119 constituencies had more women than men on the voter list. Among those 119, the NDA secured 72 seats, while the Mahagathbandhan won 42 seats. Surprisingly, the 5 seats AIMIM won in 2020, 4 were in constituencies where women voters outnumbered men. Whereas if you see the chart closely, Mahagathbandhan performed better in the areas with higher male voter turnout. The Mahagathbandhan won 42 female majority seats, but in male majority regions, it secured 68 seats compared to NDA's 53. With falling of gender ratio, how hard NDA will be hit, only time will tell, but it is very evident that beyond caste, a new political identity is emerging in the Bihar's political landscape, that is gender. Even though complete prohibition is in effect in Bihar, liquor smugglers are constantly devising new ways to continue their illegal trade while election campaigning is at its peak in Bihar. The latest case has come to light from Nawada district, where police recovered 29 bottles of foreign liquor hidden inside a house's toilet tank. Despite the strict prohibition laws, liquor traders in Nawada are secretly transporting, selling, and producing alcohol. As the election of Bihar nears, illegal trade of liquor has raised eyebrows among voters. For daily, in-depth updates on everything shaping Bihar's political landscape, stay tuned to NDTV's Bihar Election Tracker, streaming exclusively on NDTV 24/7's YouTube channel. I am Yasharth Rai.